Part 2 na kami. This is going to be a 3rd to 5th question. Okay?
Third question. What is one moment that you'd like to relive again and why?
What is one moment that I'd like to relive again and why? One specific moment would be I think during my high school graduation day, when I deliver my speech, when I was able to inspire other people, when I deliver my speech. So I'd like to relive that. Who knows, I'll be able to deliver inspiring stories and speeches to the young generation. Wala pa naman nag-invite sa akin na school, but who knows?
At high school?
Para ma-relive ko yun.
Wow,
High school, kasi diba, I am here and my high school is in Leyte. That's gonna be difficult. But yeah, giving some inspirational stories to the young generation. Kay Kuya. Daddy pala.
Maybe, during that time when DM was born.
Oy! Can you still remember the feeling, Dad, when DM was born? And I can still recall, naglalaro siya ng laway niya, Dad.
Yeah.
He's so adorable.
It's like a crab.
Like a crab, Kuya DM. You're so adorable.
Among all,
so how does it feel, Daddy, when you see... Yeah, how does it feel, Daddy, when you see Kuya DM for the first time? Nakilala mo siya agad, Dad, na anak mo siya? Bakit?
Kamukha ko siya. And then, nag-aano siya.
And by the way, guys, nandyan siya, camera shy lang siya, pero yan po siya. Happy si Daddy. Si Kuya naman, happy sa laway niya. Okay, is that the 4th na or 5th question?
3rd pala. 4th.
4th. Sige, 4th question.
What's one thing you wish you had more time for right now?
Oh, Daddy naman, answer first. What's one thing that I wish I had more time right now?
Maybe family time.
Family time. Same here.
Spend with Dory, DM.
I wish I had more time for family. Just to strengthen the family bond and then do some funny stuff together. Diba? Kasi yung time ni Mama nauubos sa work, sa school, and other stuff. So I wish I had more time with my kids. And sa running din pala. Nauubos din sa running.
And we have a limited time on Earth.
Limited time on Earth. Okay, last and final question for our first ever couples Q&A. And by the way, we are in Baguio. Wala kami sa likod ng bahay namin. Hindi lang maganda yung view.
5th question.
5th question.
Describe your dream vacation.
Oh my God! I think, same ba
I'll go
tayo,
first.
Dad? Sige, Dad. Dream vacation ni Dad.
Of course, it would be on Switzerland.
Switzerland. Parang Chloe. May pa-Chloe pa si Dad. Oo, that's our dream vacation actually with Daddy. It's gonna be a trip in Switzerland. Tapos, magbabike kami doon, maglalakad, magra-run, etc. And you know naman, Switzerland is so nice, diba? The weather is good. It's clean. Ayun. So, sana in the near
It's a
future,
beautiful nature.
Daddy and I will be able to visit Switzerland. Uy, nainggit ka? You want to go with us? Oo daw! But yeah, we need more money.
Yung second trip kasama
Second
na
trip
siya.
with kids na. But
Yeah,
for the
kasi-
first one, it's gonna be for couples like us. So that's it for our couples Q&A. Part 1 and Part 2. See you next time.